In this video, I'm about to share with you why you would be an absolute fool to quit LiveGood. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the hottest online business opportunities out there right now, and that is LiveGood. Now, if you're not familiar with what LiveGood is, you definitely got to check out that first link in the description and take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. But to give you a short answer, it's a new affiliate marketing / network marketing opportunity. Right now, it's based in the health and wellness, but they are currently expanding their brands and they're going to be going into multiple niches in the next few months and years. All right. So I don't want you to feel like this is just health and wellness products, because they're doing a lot more. All right. Now, with all that being said, there's a couple of things that really make LiveGood stand out and why it is so popular and people are joining all the time. One of the things is it's very low cost. All right. To get started with LiveGood, it's only $49.95, right? And then after that, it's only $9.95 a month. That is it. All right. A lot of people be like, no, okay, how much is it for real? No, it's really $9.95. I've been a member for about 3-4 months now, and it's only $9.95. And the dope thing about that fee is it gives me access to get LiveGood products at a very, very discount price, but it allows me to be able to earn an unlimited income by having a LiveGood business. All right. Now, another thing that really makes LiveGood super dope is they actually give people the opportunity to be able to earn over $2,000 a month without having to recruit anybody or sell anything. Now, disclaimer, all right, this really is a possibility. You can really make this happen, but it all depends on the growth of the company, the growth of your team. So there is no time frame of when you can hit that $2,000 a month mark. It could take 6 months, it could take a year, it could take 3 years, but it's a reality. And one more thing about LiveGood that a lot of people love, including myself, is their 50% matching bonus. All right. So for every person that you bring in, personally joins you, all right, you get a 50% matching bonus of whatever they earn in their matrix. All right. So you need to know about the matrix, you can watch the video. But just to really make this easy to understand, say you bring in one person, you bring in John, right? And John ultimately goes crazy and he's just like doing his thing. And John starts bringing in $5,000 a month, right? You're going to get $2,500 a month. Like, think about it. All right. So it's like, and then you figure that's one person. So imagine if you bring in 10 people, 50 people, 100 people into LiveGood that you personally brought in. Imagine the possibilities. You're going to match 50% of everything that they earn. Really think about that. And that, in my opinion, is a big reason why so many people are pushing LiveGood and excited about this opportunity. With all that being said, there are a lot of people that's actually quitting LiveGood, right? People actually are like dropping their memberships. They don't talk about it no more. They don't promote it no more. And to me, I think that is a huge mistake. All right. And I'm going to tell you why. Think about this. If you join LiveGood, right, you're all excited. You pay your $49.95 one-time fee. And then you pay your $9.95 a month. But just say, all right, that you didn't do absolutely anything. You just kept paying your little $10, a month. $10 a month. What is that? $2.50 a week, right? Just by keeping your membership active, you are actually putting yourself in a position to ultimately earn a little over $2,000 a month. But even if you don't hit the $2,000 a month and you just stay an active member, the way the company is growing, you're going to eventually earn something. You know what I'm saying? Like if you just stick with it. So what if a year from now, you know, you check your account because you don't even look at it and you're earning, you know, $150 extra a month. And you still just paying the $9.95. Now, you're going to get this extra $100 and something a month, right? For nothing. You didn't do nothing, right? And all you did was pay your monthly membership, right? Now, say for example, you know, you get involved with LiveGood, right? You get excited, right? And you actually, you know, you enroll 3 or 4 people. 3 or 4 people. You make like $75 to $100, and then you kind of go cold, right? You don't refer nobody else. You just like, damn, right? You see a new program, a new opportunity, like, man, I'm going over here, right? You put all your energy into something else, and then you're like, LiveGood ain't even, that shit trash. I'm done. I'm not spending another dime on no LiveGood membership. So you cancel. Listen to me. So you cancel your $9.95 monthly membership. Now, imagine one of those 4 people that you personally enrolled. What if they go crazy, right? And they start making $5,000, $6,000 a month from their matrix, right? Just because you canceled. Because you canceled. You wasn't thinking, right? You wasn't using your noggin. You're missing out on $2,500 to $3,000 a month you would have been getting if you just would have stuck it out, right? If you just would have kept paying your $9.95, you would have put yourself in a position not only to be able to earn some sort of extra money, but you would have put yourself in a position to earn a lot more money from the people that you personally brung in. And that's why, honestly, if you join LiveGood or you're thinking about joining LiveGood, join it for the long haul. Like, join it and tell yourself, listen, no matter what, I'm going to give this a solid year, right? At least a solid year. Me personally, I'm looking long term. I'm already like, yo, where am I going to be next year? I'm excited to see what my income is going to be a year from now. I'm really excited to see where my income is going to be in 3 years, right? Because I'm like, this is huge, all right? It's super, super exciting. So if you're watching this, right, and you quit, you might want to jump back on LiveGood. And if you haven't got started with this opportunity, you need to do so right now. All right, so click the link in the description, take the 5-minute tour and get started. And I will see you on the team. So yes, you would be an absolute fool to quit LiveGood.